the Constitution Day. And what did we do on 26th of January?
Republic Day.
It's a Republic Day.
Yes, sir.
And on that day, what happened? Constitution was? Come here and tell me. Today is a Constitution Day. And on that day also did you do Constitution only? What is that?
26th January, the Constitution released as the Act of India.
From 26th January, the Constitution was implemented in our country through an act. And from that day onwards, whatever the Constitution was made, that made applicable in our country. Okay? And who headed the committee that made the Indian Constitution? Who? There was one committee which drafted the Constitution of our country. What is Constitution? Somebody knows? What is that? Constitution means what has been told to you now through these. What is this? Constitution. These are fundamental rights. There are some fundamental duties also. There are certain other laws also in our country. There are certain other rules also in our country. So we can say in simple words, Constitution is compilation of all the laws and rules. Laws and rules are written somewhere, and that book is called Constitution. As you have a grammar book, in Hindi you have a Vyakaran book. In grammar certain rules are written. In Vyakaran certain rules of Hindi are written. In the same way, to run our whole country, there are certain rules, certain laws, certain rights, certain duties which have been given to us by that book of rules. And that book of rule is called the Constitution of our country. It can be the Constitution of any nation also. But whatever the specific it is there, we are talking about our country, India. So, 26th November is the foundation of the Constitution of our country, and it made applicable through an act from 26th of January, that is also celebrated as the Republic Day of our country. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, rest. I'm happy that you have started learning so many good things in life. And yesterday I spoke about the discipline. I hope you will follow my advice. As to run the nation, we need the rules. In the same way, to run the school, we need certain rules. So I advise every one of you to follow the rules. And when you are on the road, there are certain traffic rules also. So I request to your parents, actually through you, that they should also start following the rules of the road. And one rule, that is, while driving two-wheeler, motorcycle or a scooter, we must wear helmet. So that rule can be made applicable if all of you want. If you love your parents, if you love yourself, please force your parents when they come to drop you, or when they go to the market to purchase something, or when they go to the office, they must wear helmet. It is their safety. Okay, they must wear helmet wherever. And if they are driving four-wheeler, they must that use the seat belt. Because it's one rule, and it's save our life. So that is my request on this day. And because we are talking about the rules, and that is also a rule, being a citizen of this country, we need to follow the rules which have been given to us by the Constitution of our country. Happy Constitution Day. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much. God bless you.